Guys, welcome back to a new video. So today in this video I will be showing you how to, well, it's not a how-to video because I'm going to install this smoke alarm in that space there. So what you need is the tools for the job. Well, for what you need is you'll need your actual attraction, the smoke alarm, which is that one there, and then you need this base plate, which I am going to screw into this. So at the moment I've got a Series 65 heat detector, which is going to be swapped for this, which is going to be put in that location. Now there are a couple of things that you need to know before installing this. Is you've got to lay out where you're going to put the alarm. So that's everything in the box, but for your guys' sake, I'm going to be showing you the instructions and how to actually do it. So I'm not going to go crazy and just screw in. So, okay, let's get to the. So it's just telling you where smoke alarms should be, which areas of the house, and here's where. Now here's the instructions. So first off, put the base plate tabs. Okay. I think it means these. Oh, it means these. Hold on, guys. Yeah, so okay, so I'm getting this out. So it tells you to comment. So we won't use that. What we are going to do though is we're going to stick it. Okay, so guys. So first off, before we even get started, I'm putting that up. We're going to take the heat detector base off the. That one's loose. It should. You know. Put the heat detector screws. This detector is. Okay, just a sec. Okay, there we go. So that's that. So next up, now what we're going to do is we're going to put the alarm base on the thing, onto the wall. Now what you want to do is when you put smoke alarms in previous locations, you want to cover up all the holes that you can. So I'm going to put it right here. Yeah, right here. And I'm going to cover up all the holes that I can. So it's going to go there. So I'm going to hold that there for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to put one screw in the middle to hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now leave that there just for a couple of minutes. So what I'm going to get out, so there are 2 screws in this set, but we're only going to be using one of them. And we're going to do the starting hole. What we're actually going to do is, no, we don't do this. We're going to grab one of these screws. Actually, yeah, so we're going to grab one of these. That's one wall plug as well. I don't know what this is going to do, but if I stick that. Okay, so I see what you're going to do. Okay, so that's what that bit is used for. So if it's just plastic, if it's stick, you don't need any of the metal screws, you just need the plastic one. What I'm going to do is I need to, right, so guys, let's do a starting hole with one of these screws. That was too small. Okay, but we're going to do this. Ow. Okay, so we're going to put the pilot hole in. And we're going to install this. As you can hear, it's the pilot hole is now. Okay, hold up. Right. The pilot hole is now attached. It's now ready. And what we are going to do is we're going to slowly drill this into that cap. Actually, we're going to do the full hole with this screw. Then we're going to undo this and then put. As you can see, we are now getting it out. We've got it out, and that should be good enough now to start doing this. Okay, it should be now. Okay. Installation. So what we are going to have to do, guys, is I have to take those off. We'll actually drill right through them. And that's gone right the way through it. Right, now it's in. Now we can put this one out. And now we can put the original screw in, which is not that one. So we can put the original screw in and install in the job. There we go. Now we'll do the same on the other side, on this one, because this blows right the way through that. Okay, right, so now that that's done, I'm going to put the final... Where did it go? Where did I put that? Oh, here we go. Hold up. Just a second while I look for that screw. It's not in there. Okay, hold up. So, where did I put that screw? I didn't put it there. That's not it. That's not it either. Okay, hold up. Oh, there it is. Okay, right. So I've added the pilot holes. Now I'm going to screw this one in. Right, so that's on now. Right, so the next part is to, put all the stuff that you didn't use away. I did try to use that, but that... Stop shouting at me, I'm doing something! Well, I'm doing something. Right, so now you're going to put your new alarm on the base. There we go. Now, what you've got to do before you do anything is test your alarm now that it's attached. But what I'm going to do is, okay, it's locked. I'm going to have to take this off. No, it's locked. There we go. Okay. Okay, right, it's off. Now what I want to do is I want it to have a full degree angle onto the... So what you do is you put it from an angle onto the... Before I take the shielding off. Okay, I had it on. Okay. Okay, hold up. We'll put it exactly how it was before then. Right, see, now it is attached. Right, before I test it, I'm just going to go and get something. Actually, no mind, they're in my pocket. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to test it. As you can hear, it is loud and it is working. So now you take that off and then the installment is complete. Your installment is now complete. So, just for good reference, I did this just so you would know how to install these. Now that that new one's up, now we don't have to worry about any fires. But I can turn it even further. There we go. There we go. I'll just leave it like that though. Okay, so hope you all found this video interesting, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.